Today we're making sure our chicken coop is staying in a safe temperature and humidity range with the help of our new Wi-Fi Hygrometer Thermometer from Xsense. It comes shipped to your door with everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you can find your user manual, hanging lanyards, a power brick, as well as a micro USB power cable, your receiver, as well as 3 humidity and temperature sensors. Setup is quick and painless. To get started, download the Xsense app to your phone. Then click Add Device. Select Thermohygrometers, then scan the QR code on the back of the receiver. Name your device, select the location, then make sure your receiver is plugged in, and click Pair. The receiver connects to the Wi-Fi, and then pairs to your phone in no time. Next, it's time to pair your sensors. Click Pair New Device, and then pop off the back plate to the sensor. Remove the battery tabs from the battery, and then push the button to enable pairing mode. It should be blinking blue and white to indicate it's in pairing mode. Click Next, and then the sensor pairs to your phone, no problem. Then, repeat those steps for the other sensors. Next, take the lanyards and insert it into the hook at the top of the sensor, and snap the back on. Then you're ready to hang up the sensor wherever you need. Me, I hung one up in my office, my bedroom, and then one outside in the chicken coop. It has a long range of 1,700 feet, so I was able to reach our coop without any issue. The chickens have outside access, but I wanted to make sure that their sleeping quarters remain warm enough at night and not too hot during the day. I think it's pretty insulated in there, but with this, I can know for sure. Now I can log into the app and have real-time data of how it feels in the coop. I can scroll through and see how cold it got during the night, and how humid it got during the day. And then, if it exceeds the level that I assign, the base will notify you, letting you know something's got to change. You can arrange it by the day, week, month, or year, and get plenty of short-term or long-term data. You can even export this info and have the reports emailed to you to view later. Now I have record of how hot and sweaty I make my office. And I can make sure that my chickens are staying comfortable. So whether you want to monitor your chicken coop, make sure your cigar humidor is working properly, or want to keep an eye on the temperature of your greenhouse, these Wi-Fi Hygrometer Thermometers from Xsense might just be for you. Till next time, I'm going to go review my exported chicken coop humidity data. See ya!